My last reel, I had told you that I can build or I had built a game within 5 minutes, right? This is the game, Snakes and Ladders and Chaos. I built this within 5 minutes, and this actually works. See, power up, right? This is a very simple game which I created using Google Gemini, and you can share it with anyone and play with people, right? So what I did is I went to Gemini. I give it a very nice prompt, which was written with the help of ChatGPT, where I told what exactly is needed. Like, I want to build a game which is Snacks and Ladder, but I want to add some twist to it, where there will be eagles which will eat your snakes, and there will be earthquakes which will, if you are at 50, it might, randomly drop you down to 40, but you can save yourself with some easy puzzles. Right, that kind of prompt I had given to ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT gave me this prompt, which I pasted here, where it says mechanism, what all rules will be there, how many players will be there, how it will look like, right? And then it created, and then the game was created here in the most important thing you need to select it, the canvas. Okay, canvas is the most important thing you need to select. Okay, so the first cut was not so good, so I asked it to create the better UX, that, and then yeah, this is our game. It's playable. Chaos. Power up. I got an eagle feather. I can summon an eagle to eat and smoke snake whenever there is a snake coming in my way. So this is all pretty simple. Build your own games. Share it with us.